How to add a page admin on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then, go to Page Setup. Now, tap on Page Status. Scroll down and go to Manage Admins. Here, tap on Add New beside people with Facebook access. Then, tap on Next below. Now you can search for and select people who should have Facebook access to this page. After selecting, tap on Give Access below. Following these steps, you can easily add a page admin on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.